Welcome back to our channel. Today we're building a volcano. First, we're gonna put the volcano mold kit. Yep. Now I'm going to add a water inside this bowl. Now we're gonna add container powder to this container.
For the bowl.
I mean, we usually call it the bowl, but I like to call it container.
No, keep adding it, Erin. Keep adding it.
Wow, look. That's so amazing. Oh my God. Look at this. It's turning red. It's making noises. Like lava. This is where magnified glass. Whoa. Bubbly, guys. That's so cool. Whoa. This is so awesome. And amazing. Now we're gonna go add the plaster in powder into the bowl inside the water until it gets thick. Keep on
Mix it out.
mix. Oh, it's getting big, guys. Whoa. More. I want more. More and plaster into the volcano. Oh, you can do it. You can do it, Adam. That's disgusting. You're ready. We had to let it dry for 2 days. Stay tuned for part 2.